Spocket is a dropshipping platform designed to simplify sourcing and selling products for e-commerce businesses. With its extensive supplier network, Spocket provides a vast array of high-quality products, many of which ship from the US and Europe, ensuring faster delivery times. The platform integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce tools like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it an ideal choice for online store owners. Upon signing up, you'll find an intuitive interface allowing you to search and filter products by category, location, and pricing. Spocket offers premium features, including branded invoicing and exclusive access to premium suppliers. Their pricing model includes a free plan with limited access, while paid plans unlock additional features and supplier connections. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. The standout feature of Spocket is its focus on high-quality, unique products that differentiate your store from competitors. However, one drawback could be its limited supplier options in some categories, compared to broader platforms. Still, Spocket's supplier vetting process ensures reliability and quality, making it a strong contender in the dropshipping space. Subscribe and give this video a like to discover more tools to enhance your online business journey.